So you found a great article in your Gale database. Fantastic. I did too. Mine's on Weird Al Yankovic because why not? There's so many great things you can do in Gale databases. You could start with Citation up here. You can send to things. You can download things. We're going to get a permalink. You could highlight and do notes. We'll do that in a second. You can adjust sizes. You can listen to it. You can send it to Google Drive. But we'll take a look at that in a minute too. All right, so let's see. I'm reading this article and I decide I want to highlight that. So I'm going to highlight that section blue. And this is important that he sold millions of records. So I'm going to highlight that purple because that's more about a financial topic. That's paragraph 3, I guess. Paragraph 4 is going to be about something else, and I'll highlight everything for paragraph 4 in pink. Here's the other thing you can do. I'm going to highlight this, and now I'm going to type in some notes. Now I'm going to highlight this, and maybe I'll put something more pertinent here. If I scroll further down, you'll see that you have your citation, and you can adjust that citation to whatever type you need. You can export it to Noodle Tools, which is a great tool. EasyBib, RefWorks, they are not good. This will just export the citation. If I want to send the whole thing to my Google Drive, all I have to do is click this button right here at the top. It'll tell you that it's been sent. If you haven't done this yet, it may ask for permission. Then we can go to our Google Drive. Once you're in Drive, if you scroll down, you'll see your Gale database folders now. You can double click on that. Here is my Weird Al Yankovic article. I'm going to double click that and open it up. While that opens, you'll notice that I already have some articles in here. I can now move these around and share these as I would any other Google Drive document. And you'll see in here, I've actually already got a couple of other articles for my project. The Google Doc now contains the entire article with all the highlights. If I scroll down to the bottom, I get even more information, including the citation and the highlighted passages, as well as my notes. Check out Gale's Google Drive integrations for easy note-taking, organization, and sharing capabilities.